Hello freelancers, in this video I will show you how you can send a proposal on PeoplePerHour. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Now first, let's talk about credit system on PeoplePerHour. Every month PeoplePerHour gives you 15 free proposal credits. One credit will be used for one job, so you have to use them wisely. If you waste all your free credits, you will need to purchase more, and the current price is £7.95 just for 5 bids. So if you're just starting out, avoid wasting money on unnecessary bids. Now let's move to the job section. Here you should select projects that you are highly confident you can deliver successfully. Remember, only bid on projects that were posted less than 1 week ago. From my experience, 90% of the time you won't hear back if posting is older than 1 week. Also make sure to check the client's profile to see how many freelancers they have worked with before. This helps you avoid wasting your bid on fake or inactive client. Always verify the client's credibility before sending your proposal. Now let's quickly talk about what makes a proposal successful, because simply knowing where to click is not enough. Your proposal needs to grab attention and convince the client that you are the right choice. Here are some quick tips every freelancer should keep in mind. Don't use copy-paste proposal. Buyer can instantly spot generic message. Write something that is tailored to their project and shows you have read their brief. Show that you understand their needs. Mention a specific detail from the project description and explain how you plan to deliver results. Highlight your skills and experience. Include links to relevant work or portfolio samples so they can trust your ability. Match their tone. If the buyer's description is formal, keep your proposal professional. If it's casual, you can be friendly but still professional. Mention availability. Let them know when you can start and how much time you can dedicate to their project. Keep it clear and concise. Avoid long paragraph. Make it easy for them to understand your offer. End with a call to action. Invite them to reply, ask questions, or schedule a call. If you follow these basics, your proposal will already stand out above the majority of freelancers on the platform. Now let's actually go through the process of sending a proposal. Let's click on any job post here. Now you can see everything the client is looking for, their requirements, experience, level, budget. And in case if you want to know more about client, simply click on its profile. It will show you its previous purchases and the project that he has done with freelancers. Okay, let's go back, and this is where you write your main proposal message. You start with a friendly greeting. You can also mention the client name, show you read their requirements, and explain how you can help. Make it short, professional, and tailored to their needs. Avoid generic copy-paste proposal. The more personal is the better. And if you have any relevant work samples, especially for something visual like logo design or thumbnail design, then you can attach your file. You can upload images, PDF, zipped portfolio, or you can directly import your portfolio from your profile section. Next part is proposal breakdown. In item section, you can define what service you are offering. For example, if the job is related to logo, then you can add professional logo designer, or if it's related to thumbnail, then you can add thumbnail designer. In the amount section, you can put the pricing that client has added. If you are comfortable doing the job in the same pricing, then you can add it here. But if you think the price is low, you can simply define your item multiple times and add pricing for a specific task. PeoplePerHour will automatically then calculate how much you will earn after their service fees. Keep this in mind so you are happy with the budget. When everything looks good, click Send to submit your proposal. If you want your proposal to stand out at the top of the client's list, you can click Send and Feature, but this may cost extra credit. Once you send it, you will get a confirmation message. Now it's just a matter of waiting for the client's response. And that's it. This is how you send your proposal. Keep it clear, professional, and personal to the client's need, and you will have much higher chances of landing the project. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Feel free to drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.